Once a rat has visited our grain sack, we can plan on its return. Edwin Guthrie, 1886 to 1959. By the 1920s, when American philosopher Edwin Guthrie turned his attention to psychology, the stimulus-response model of learning formed the basis of almost all behaviorist theories. Derived from Ivan Pavlov's idea of classical conditioning, it claimed that repeatedly exposing subjects to particular stimuli combinations, such as being given food and ringing a bell, could eventually provoke conditioned responses, such as salivating when a bell is rung. Although Guthrie was a strict behaviorist, he did not agree that conditioning needed reinforcement to be successful. He believed that a full association between a specific stimulus and response is made in their very first pairing. Guthrie's theory of one-trial learning was based on a study in which he observed cats trapped in puzzle boxes. The cats, once they had discovered the mechanism for escape, made the association between escape and their action, which they would then repeat on subsequent occasions. In the same way, Guthrie said, once a rat has discovered a source of food, it knows where to come when it is hungry. Guthrie expanded his idea into a theory of contiguity, stating that a combination of stimuli, which has accompanied a movement, will on its reoccurrence tend to be followed by that movement. A movement, not behavior, is learned from stimulus-response association. Related movements combine to form an act. Repetition does not reinforce the association but leads to the formation of acts, which combine to form behavior. We expect one quarrel to change attitudes. Edwin Guthrie. In context. Approach, learning theory. Before 1890s Ivan Pavlov shows classical conditioning in dogs. 1890s Edward Thorndike designs the puzzle box for his experiments on cats. 1920s Edward Tolman queries the role of reinforcement in conditioning. After 1938 B.F. Skinner's The Behavior of Organisms presents the idea of operant conditioning, emphasizing the role of consequences in behavior. 1940s Jean Piaget develops a theory of learning that claims children are naturally driven to explore and acquire knowledge. 1977 Albert Bandura's social learning theory states that behavior is learned from observing and copying the behavior of others.